Data disasters, report rage, spreadsheet spiders. This city's seen it all. Until now. Meet the hero who turns analytics into artwork.
Hi, I'm Zack. Welcome to episode 2 of BMI's Rapid Fire Quiz. Greetings, data defenders. I'm your friendly neighborhood host, and I'm here to stop the crime of gut-feeling decisions. Joining me on this mission is the one and only Insight Spider Brian, master of metrics, wizard of webhooks.
Ready to climb the wall, Zack? Let's web up those insights and bring clarity to chaos.
Brian, the city's drowning in scattered data. How does Zoho Analytics unite it all?
By connecting all your business apps, CRM, books, projects, and more into a single analytics platform. One dashboard to rule them all.
Like a spider web linking the whole skyline. Full visibility from end to end. Oh, Spidey sense tingling. What's the smart tool that sees patterns before they happen?
Zia, the AI assistant. Zia can forecast trends, detect anomalies, and help you make proactive decisions.
Now that's next level intuition. No radioactive spider bite required. Brian, how do we create dashboards as sleek and tailored as a Spidey suit?
Use drag and drop widgets, charts, pivot tables, KPIs, all customizable to your team's needs.
Dashboard agility, just like upgrading your web shooters for every mission. Final question, how do we share insights without tipping off the villains?
Simple. Set user permissions, schedule reports, and share dashboards securely so the right eyes see the right data.
Like a stealth mission, secure, smooth, and on schedule. Brian, you've just webbed up another victory. The city's data is safe once more.
Anytime, Zack. When dashboards break, I swing in.
Let's recap our Zoho Analytics superpowers. Unified data dashboards, Zia's predicted insights, fully custom dashboards, and secure sharing and scheduling. This was BMI's Rapid Fire Quiz Episode 2, powered by Zoho Analytics and the spirit of superheroes. With great data comes great decisions.